Hello and welcome to NX12 video tutorial. Click new icon to appear the new dialog box. In Model tab you can select desired environment, Model environment, Assembly or Shape Studio and others. DMU, Drawing, and for example Simulation, Manufacturing, Mechatronics Concept Designer, Line Designer, Ship Structures, and other. In Model tab click on Model Environment. In New File Name you can change your current model name, and in Folder you can change its path. And in Top you can specify units, millimeter or inches. OK, the dialog box. Good. As you see, the NX main screen is displayed. OK. That's very good. This is Quick Access Toolbar and Menu Bar. This is Ribbon Bar and Top Border Bar and Part Navigator. This is Graphic Area, Coordinate System, and Q Status Line. OK. That's very good. OK, good. First, in Top Border Bar click Rotate command and press left button and drag the mouse cursor to see the rotation of 3D model in graphic area. Press Escape button in keyboard. Also, its shortcut is press and drag the roller button of mouse and drag it. Test it yourself more and more. That's very simple. OK, good. Click Pen command in Top Border Bar and press left button of mouse and drag it. Escape button. And its shortcut is press and hold Shift button and press and drag the roller of the mouse. OK. That's very good. Next command is Zoom. Run it and drag the mouse button and create box selection to do it. OK. Now click Fit command, Ctrl and F, to zoom back in fit position. OK, good. Now rendering style drop down commands. First is Studio. Also activated the Perspective command. You can active or deactivate it. OK. Next is Static Wireframe. OK, good. And Wireframe with hidden edges. OK, good. Next is Wireframe with dim edges. And Shaded. You can see it. OK. That's very good. And then back to Shaded with edges. Good. Also in Orient View drop-down commands, you can see the 3D model in standard orientations. Test the standard views yourself. Top view, front view, loft or right. Test all of view orientations and do it. For example, perspective. OK, good. Or trimetric. Do it more and more and finish it. OK. Right-click on graphic area and you can reach this commands again. Refresh, Fit, Zoom, Pen and Rotate and others. Rendering styles. And Orient View. Also in Background series. You can select white background. Okay, that's very good. And then in top and right side click full screen icon. And you can see the model in full screen mode. Okay. It's very good. And then click and hold on this shape in top of screen and then click again on full screen to return. Okay. Good.